So far in this lesson, you've learned about 3 types of digital media: paid, owned, and earned. You also discovered how brands use SEO to rank in search engine results pages and increase traffic to their owned content. Now we're going to explore paid advertising in a little more depth. You'll recall that paid advertising is any form of digital promotion a brand pays to put online. A big part of that promotion is search engine marketing, or SEM. SEM is the process of generating traffic to a website through paid ads that appear on search engine results pages. SEM ads are the ones that appear above or below the regular search listings in a SERP. A quick note on terminology here. Some companies think of SEM as a broad umbrella that includes both paid ads in search engines and SEO. We're going to simplify things and say that SEO has to do with the ranking of search listings within SERPs, while SEM happens through paid ads. SEM starts out the same way that SEO does, with keyword research. So, if your company sells vitamins, you might want to serve an ad to customers who search for the phrase vitamin C. Once you have your keywords, you enter an ad auction to bid on them. An ad auction is how a search engine determines which ads to display in the order they're shown when someone performs a search. When you bid on a keyword, you decide how much you're willing to pay when someone searches for a term and clicks your ad. This is known as pay per click, or PPC, because you pay only when someone clicks on your ad. The amount you pay when someone clicks on a PPC ad is called the cost per click, or CPC. Now, just like in every other auction, it's possible to lose your bid. That means your ad won't come up every time someone searches for your keyword. Search engines decide which ads to display based on factors like quality and maximum bid amount, and you'll learn more about them later on in the program. SEM is a great way to reach specific customers quickly, but it has other advantages too. When a customer finds a website through search listings, they'll usually end up on that website's homepage. But paid ads give you control over where those visitors land on your site, whether that's a sign-up form or a specific product page. But one of the biggest benefits of paid ads is that they create opportunities for remarketing. Remarketing allows you to identify previous customers or visitors to your website and serve them paid ads on other sites and social media platforms. Have you ever browsed a website for a pair of jeans and then noticed those same jeans popping up on other sites? That's remarketing. It's a way of recapturing the attention of people who are already interested in your brand. And that's really important because most website visitors leave before completing an action like making a purchase. Maybe they want to consider their options or do more research before buying. Remarketing encourages those people to come back by reminding them why they clicked on your ad in the first place. Website visitors and previous customers are also the segment of your audience that's most likely to convert, so those extra reminders can have a big impact. You'll be able to explore all of these concepts more later in the program. Right now, it's time to review. SEM is a way for brands to generate traffic to their websites by placing paid ads on search engine results pages. It uses a model called pay-per-click advertising, which charges you when someone clicks on your ad. Paid ads have some big advantages like reaching customers quickly, controlling where visitors land on your site, and remarketing. Next up, you'll learn about some other types of paid advertising for attracting and converting customers.